Dress smart, understanding a company's culture through its industry. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into an essential aspect of preparing for job interviews: understanding the company culture. You've probably heard the saying, dress for the job you want, not the job you have. But how do you know how to dress? It's all about analyzing the company's industry and norms. Let's get started. First things first, why is it so essential to dress according to the company's culture? Well, the way you present yourself can make a strong first impression. It shows potential employers that 1. You have done your homework about the company. 2. You respect and understand the company's values. 3. You're serious about becoming a part of their team. Every industry has its unique set of norms, and understanding them is crucial. Here's a breakdown. Industry: the particular field or market where the company operates. Examples include tech, finance, fashion, and healthcare. Norms: these are the standard practices, behaviors, or expectations within an industry. For example, in the tech industry, a relaxed dress code might be the norm, whereas, in finance, formal attire might be expected. Now, how do we decode these norms? Here are some strategies. 1. Research online. Check out the company's official website. Look for photos or videos that showcase employees and events. These visuals can give you a hint about the dress code. 2. Social media insights. Many companies have active profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram. Here, they often share behind-the-scenes looks, company events, or interviews, which can be a goldmine of information regarding company culture and dressing norms. 3. Ask around. If you know someone working in the industry or company, don't hesitate to ask them about the general dress code. Once you've gathered your data, it's time to adapt. Here are some general guidelines. Tech and startups. Often casual or business casual. Think clean jeans, nice t-shirts, and maybe a blazer if you want to add a touch of professionalism. Finance and law. Lean more towards formal. Suits, ties, formal shoes, and conservative dresses are often the go-to. Creative industries, like fashion or advertising. Here's where you can show a bit of personal style. But remember, while it's more flexible, still keep it professional. Healthcare and education. These often lean towards semi-formal or specific uniforms. Always prioritize neatness and professionalism. Preparing for an interview is more than just practicing your answers. It's also about presenting the best version of yourself. By understanding a company's industry and norms, you equip yourself with the knowledge to make a fantastic first impression. We hope this guide helps you shine at your next interview. Best of luck, and happy learning!